So here is your Kia Forte key fob. What you will need is a flathead screwdriver at this point to get this cover off. The smaller the flathead screwdriver, the better it is. We need to get this cover out. Get the screwdriver and put it right where I'm putting. That's where you'll see a small gap. So you can get the screwdriver, push it in, and then once it's in there, twist it. So that's going to help you pry the clip open. And you have to be patient over here. This is going to take you a good 30-40 seconds to get this cover off. Once you get the one clip off a little bit, then just sort of go around that edge and then keep on repeating the process. Just get the screwdriver in there and then twist it right. That should open up the next clip, and so on and so forth. And that way, just go like this around the entire clip, and that should help you get it out. As you can see, as I'm going around the edge, I'm just repeating the process. There you go, it comes off. Now you will need to get a small Phillips head screwdriver or a small flathead screwdriver to get those 4 screws out. The key to doing this right is when you twist it left, make sure you push down on the screws and then you twist it left so you don't end up stripping the screws. Get all the 4 screws out, and now get the screwdriver and then put it right where I'm putting, and then pry the battery out. The battery's gonna pop out. That's because there's like a spring steel clip over there. That's the one. Now on the battery, the positive sign is marked with the plus sign, and the battery size is right there on it, CR2032. Again, CR2032. Get the new battery in with the positive side facing upwards. Put the cover back on, and now let's just get those 4 screws back on and tighten them on. And that is good. Now let's go ahead and get the cover on. Get it in position. Press it together to clip it in place. Now let's go out and try this out. And everything is working fine. Hope you found it useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory.